Hi, this is Robin Moses and I'm going to be doing bird cages. So I started the nails with a beautiful light blue. I took a regular blue and added white to it until I got the color I wanted. Now I'm going in,
Mom,
and they are going to go like this. And you hear my helper. That. And like this. Make sure your paint is very, very thin. Like this. Like this. This. Like this. Okay, it's fine. We love him. He should do the tutorial. Wouldn't he be cute? Okay, here we go. Okay, so there's that. And then this one's gonna be like hanging from the top. So there's that one. And I'm just gonna highlight little certain areas of it to bring it out, to make it look like a cage. Like that. And then there's gonna be a little tiny pedestal. Ooh, good. My paint's too thin. That. Oh. Okay, now on this one, I will do a long bird cage. Like, I think I've done a tutorial for a long bird cage, but it's just going to be like the outline nail, so that I keep wanting to move your hand like close and around. That. Like this. You guys get the idea though. The idea is where it's at. And then I'm going to go like this, and then pull the rest of the bird. Oh, nice. The bird cage down like this. And then it's going to have a little light area right here. Okay. Okay, now I want to add my birds. So these birds are so cute. I have blue and black mixed together. And I'm going to make a little tiny round circle like that. From that circle, I'm going to make its plumage. And its plumage is going to go out and around. Bloop. And there we go. And then just barely make a little tiny little nose like that. And then the cutest part, its little legs. Okay, hold on. Let me make it more birdish. Urgh. It needs a bigger body. There we go. And then a little beak. There. Now his little legs are one fine line down with a little bird foot and another line down with a little bird foot like that. Then his little friend is shorter and he's light gray, so with white and a little tiny bit of black mixed together. Let me try to get that in there. He is just a really pretty gray color and he's short. And the little friend is hanging down here. Okay, like this. And then he only has one little plumage. Well, maybe two. I'm gonna change these up a little bit. Like this. And these are kind of just like from a postcard. And I don't know if it's illegal to show the postcard, so it's best just to not. But they're not exactly like these birds, but they are kind of. They're just like little tiny birds. Okay, now I'm going to put one of them in here. It's going to be more of a traditional bird, but it's going to show that the other weird shaped ones are birds. There he is on his cage like that. Little feet. That is just so cute. Okay, so I'm going to finish all the little birds like that in different colors of blue. And I'm going to do a mustard. Oh gosh, let me try to get. It's going to be mustard and a little bit of green, and I'm mixing it into this really beautiful green like that. And I might do a few birds in this color. So I'm working in that palette, and then gray. And I'll meet you back. Okay, and here is the end design of my little birds and bird cages. I will scroll down, and there are the bird cages and little tiny birds, stylized long birds, tall birds, birds in cages, birds out of cages. Where's those kissing ones? There they are. They're kissing. Anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please spread the word, and I will be back with more. Everybody have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please look in the description box below, and I have all the links there. Everyone have a great day. Bye.
Bye.